In Hawkeye, you can add comments to any given survey in order to denote critical points or other points of interest. To add a particular comment to a curve, go to your survey list panel at the bottom of the main screen, find the survey point that you want, and type your comment in here. Hit Tab for the program to refresh, and then you will see the comment in the 3D space. One feature that is available for proposal curves only is the auto comment generation function. You can get to this by going to the curve menu, either by right-clicking on the curve in the 3D space on this button here, or by right-clicking on the curve in the data tree, then selecting auto comments for this curve. This will automatically generate comments at each of the critical points on your plan. Note that this does not work for an as-drilled survey curve, only for proposal curves. If I wanted to edit any of these comments that are automatically generated, I simply go into my survey list panel and edit them here. If I want to clear all comments, I can go to that same curve menu and then select Clear Comments. Notice that from this menu, I can also toggle the comments off so that they don't display in the 3D space. When I have comments associated with a curve, they will show up in the reports as critical points. So in the report generator, if I select a critical points report, you will see all of the comments listed in this report. Likewise, in the quick plot, if I select the critical points list checkbox, we will see all of the comments for that particular curve. Now, what if I want to create a comment on a curve, but I don't want it to be an official part of my critical points or comments list? For that, I would create an annotation. To create an annotation on a curve, I'd simply go to the desired MD that I want to create the annotation at, and then I would select from the curve menu, Add Annotation for this point. This brings up a special form where I can enter an annotation, and note that I can fine-tune the MD at which the annotation is tied in, and I can quickly add additional information by checking these boxes. I can also change the font and color, but if I like the annotation, I hit OK. The annotation will appear in the 3D space. However, it will not appear in my reports or my quick plots. To delete an annotation, I have to go to the annotation in the 3D space, right-click on the node at which the annotation is based, and then select Delete Content. Note that I can also hide this content or edit it as well. As a final note, remember that under the View tab, you have all of the same comment and annotation options here.